So I'm sitting here in a very, very small town in Edwall, Washington, it's called. And this place is about as quiet as it can be. I think the population of this town is a little over 700 people. And I'm staying at a friend's house, courtesy of he and his wife, for a night. And this Edwall, Washington is in the middle of absolutely nowhere. It is in between Spokane and the Tri-Cities, Yakima, or the Tri-Cities, Pasco, Kennewick, and Richland, and Seattle. Probably about an hour away from Spokane, and about 3 to 4 hours away from Seattle, and 2 hours from the Tri-Cities. But it is just quiet. The only thing I hear is doves and finches and sparrows. Just beautiful. And there's an old abandoned Red Barn Cafe, no longer in existence. See if I can zoom into that. I mean, no longer operating. Red Barn Cafe. And there's a mill over there that apparently is still operating. At nighttime, seems to be the only time I've heard it, you'll hear the trains go by. So I'm going to take you a little walk out here. We can't really see because of the fence. Let me see if I can peek over here, through here. Take a look. Like I say, it is as quiet as can be. Once in a while you'll hear a train go by or a car go by, but otherwise this has got to be one of the most peaceful areas I've been in many years. Arborvitae trees. Arborvitae. maple tree. Hope you enjoyed the little brief video. Thank you for watching.